Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ELSA GeForce RTX 4070 SAC and ERAZOR X graphics card. So friend, ELSA has unveiled two new graphics cards, the RTX 4070 SAC and the RTX 4070 ERAZOR X, and friend, both featuring NVIDIA's latest ADA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, and friend comes equipped with dual fan SAC 5 cooler, co-developed with Inno 3D and with a compact design measuring only 250 mm in length, a 2-slot thickness, and it can easily fit into a wide variety of PC cases. And friend, key specifications include a base clock of 1920 MHz, push clock of 2470 MHz, and 192-bit memory with 12 GB DDR6X video memory, PCI Express 4.0 into 16 bus interface, one 8-pin auxiliary power connector, 3 DisplayPort 1.4A outputs, and one HDMI 2.1A output. And friend, card features a black backplate and comes with a 2-year warranty. And friend, other one ERAZOR X sports an original 2-slot triple fan cooler, and its powerful triple fan design incorporates an 88 mm fan with 15 blades above the GPU and power supply circuit, boosting cooling performance. And key specifications are similar to the SAC model and comes with a base clock of 1920 MHz, boost clock of 2505 MHz, 192-bit memory burst with 12 GB DDR6X video memory, PCI Express 4.0 into 16 bus interface, one 8-pin auxiliary power connector, 3 DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, and one HDMI 2.1A output. And it also has a backplate and back with 2-year warranty. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.